No, don't just be sorry. Think for 1 fucking second. The fuck are you doing? Fuck's sake.
Daddy, can I get this?
No! No! You're unbelievable, man. You're unfucking believable.
Can I have the red
What
one?
don't you fucking understand? Give me a fucking answer!
Please, please.
No, shut the fuck up. I'm not asking, I'm telling you. Well, somebody should be fucking watching and keeping an eye on him. I wanna fucking kick your fucking ass. You know, shut up for a second, all right? Seriously, man, you and me, we're fucking done. Oh, good for you. And how was it? I hope it was fucking good because it's useless now, isn't it? Fucking ass.